Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be really decluttering and organizing underneath our bathroom cabinets and in the drawers. It is an absolute mess and I hope you guys enjoy this and get some inspiration, and let's just get started. Alright guys, so I'm just starting by taking everything out, and I'm doing some in a trash bag and then some for donating or giving to friends. And then I have also a pile of things that I want to keep. And then once I have everything out, I'm going to wipe down and then start putting everything back in an organized manner. I'm not going to talk too much throughout this video. I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch and enjoy. And I hope that this gives you guys some inspiration and motivation. It didn't take me long at all, and I'm really excited and feel a lot better now that it's done. I do have on my Watch Me Clean Wednesday shirt. If you guys are interested in these, definitely check out the description box and get you one. I would love to see you guys rocking these. I think they are so cute. On the front it says KCNC, and on the back it says on Wednesdays we clean, hashtag Watch Me Clean Wednesday. Like I said, link in the description box. Definitely go check them out. I love this t-shirt. It's one of my favorites. So now I'm just going through this little drawer that I keep up here on top, and I'm throwing away a lot of things and just reorganizing things. This is just where I keep some of the stuff that I use on a regular basis. So that's all I was doing here, and then I'm going to go through this top drawer here and clean it out and clean those little white things. I cannot remember for the life of me where I got those, but I'm going to assume somewhere like Walmart. So now I'm moving on to my makeup drawer, and I know I have a lot of makeup, but makeup is kind of my thing. I love trying new stuff. A lot of this is old and expired, and I just had to toss it out, and some of it is just not something that I like. It was just, I guess, not a good product or whatever. It didn't work for me. So I'm throwing a lot of that away, and I'm going to reorganize it. You guys will see in a minute how I ended up doing that, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I just have this little 3-drawer thing that I got at Walmart, and I'm putting in the makeup that I want to keep but I'm not currently using. So I will switch things out, and I'll kind of get bored with it and I'll switch things out. So that's what I was putting there, and then I put that up on a shelf somewhere, and I'm just vacuuming just to get the floor kind of clean of any debris, and then I'm going to wipe down the vanity really good since I had everything setting up there, and then I'm going to show you guys what it all turned out to look like. So I'm all done. I would say that took me tops an hour. I love how everything turned out. It's so clean and organized. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it inspired you to clean out a space in your home. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching.
You see